Maximizing comfort, humidification. Your ResMed AirSense 11 offers features that were designed to maximize your comfort throughout the night, which can help you adjust to treatment. Heated humidification has been shown to relieve some of the side effects of therapy, such as dry nose or mouth. To use humidification, you will need to ensure your humidifier tub is filled with water. Your humidification settings are located in the My Options menu. If you have a Climate Line Air 11, you can set your climate control to either auto or manual. Auto climate control will ensure temperature and humidity are preset at levels designed to deliver comfort. Manual climate control will allow you to set a specific humidity level and tube temperature depending on your needs. If you experience droplets of water collecting in your air tube, also known as rainout, consider turning your humidity level down. You can also adjust your tube temperature to find your optimal breathing comfort.